The story behind stop sign. Hello dear viewers. Today, we'll dive into a common phrase you'll encounter on roads worldwide. Stop sign. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means, its importance, and its usage in sentences. A stop sign is a traffic sign designed to notify drivers to stop and make sure the intersection is clear before proceeding. It's usually an octagonal shape with a white border and the word stop written in the center in white on a red background. Safety first. The stop sign serves a crucial role in road safety. It helps 1. Prevent collisions by ensuring drivers pause and check for oncoming traffic. 2. Maintain order on the roads by giving drivers a clear indication of when to halt and when to proceed. 3. Promote pedestrian safety, ensuring drivers halt for people crossing the road. Understanding a phrase is more fun when you know how to use it in real-life situations. Here are a few examples. 1. Always come to a complete stop at a stop sign before proceeding. 2. She didn't see the stop sign and drove right through the intersection. 3. The city plans to place a new stop sign at the corner of Elm and 5th Street. Understanding the term stop sign is not only important for language learning but also for ensuring safety on the roads. We hope this video clarified its meaning and usage for you. Drive safe and keep learning.